What is up, everyone? Wanted to bring y'all my Walmart beauty box for spring. Can't wait to go through this and see what's in here. So there's a little pamphlet that has the pricing of everything and like the size. I'll just grab from the top. The first one is a pink sugar eau de toilette. The full size is 1.7 fluid ounce and it's $14.98. So I'm really interested to see how this is gonna smell because I've heard a lot of good things about it. And I like really sweet scents. Okay, the next one is Neutrogena Hydro Boost with hyaluronic acid hydrating cleansing gel. It is fragrance free. The full size of this is 7.8 fluid ounces and it's $8.99. Okay, the next one is Maybelline the Colossal Curl Bounce Very Black Mascara. And the full size is, it says 1 CT, so I assume that means 1 count. $7.98. The next one I have here is Marc Anthony Repair Bond and Rescue Plex Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment for all hair types. I haven't heard anything about this, so interested to see how that's going to go. And let's see, I gotta find it. The full size is 8.4 fluid ounce and it's $8.47, so that's a good price. Next thing are 2 samples for Derma E, Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer and Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. I already used Derma E and have for quite some time, and I have used both of these. So the full size for each, I guess it doesn't really say specific, but 2.0 fluid ounces, so 2 fluid ounces, and $21.56 for the full size. And then looks like the last 2 things in here are Nexus Color Assure Long Lasting Vibrancy Protein Fusion Shampoo and conditioner, which I love that they have them in these little bags. That's a really good size to try it out too. And let's see, full size 16.5 fluid ounces and it's $15.98. So that is pretty awesome. That is everything for my Walmart spring box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, everyone.